Hello guys, good morning, namaste to all of you, and I hope you are doing very great. So today I am going to explain you how you can create a instance in ServiceNow, dev instance in the ServiceNow, and you can do whatever things, and you can explore, and you can test any things, and you can create new apps, and I will also explain how you can change the look of ServiceNow. Okay, so let's start with it. So firstly, we have to, for that we have to create a ServiceNow accounts in the developer servicenow.com URL. Just go to that URL, and yeah, just go to that URL, and it will show. Yeah, I already opened that URL, so you can see there is a couple of details it is asking, like first name, last name, and these things. Just fill it up and sign up, because I already signed up, so I don't need to sign up again. Then after that you will get one activation link to your email, and go to your inbox and click on that activation link, and your account will be activated. Then after, it will ask some more information, like which countries you belong and which states you belong, something details it will be asking. Just fill it up. It won't ask your credit card details, and it is not paid at all, it's completely free, so you can do without any hesitation. So after that, you will be generating one dev instance URL, and you will be assigning one username and password. By default it used to come as admin and some password as well, but you can change it later. Yeah, I have already opened that, sorry, already created that. So let me go to that particular instance. I will show you how it looks. Yeah, so this is already been created, and this is the so dev service now instance. I got this URL, and this is the dev service now instance. You can use it, so many, all options are there. You will be mostly login as a system administrator access you have. And yeah, let me just brief you something. The look, this is the global item search. You can search anything like incident number, change number, and this is the bar, and this is where you can search any application's name and any, you know any functionality you are going to work on it, like change, incident. In the settings, you can change the looks. For example, there are a couple of things like the keyboards and time zone, calendars. Those things we can do here. It's by default, it will be America, Los Angeles. You can change it to India, Canada, whatever countries you will live in. And in the theme, you can change the color of the theme. So I mostly, I this is the default color, and I like it this color also. You can change it to any colors. Let me just see, this is the background has been changed. So let me just leave in this, default color. And yeah, that's all. And next step, what we'll do is how you can modify this, and how you can put your organization name, and all these things. Let's do in the next step. Yes. So in the next step, what we'll do is let's do something configuration modification in this icon, in this bar. So first of all, just go to this. This is called filter navigator, and face filter navigator. You just search basic configuration, and you can see in the properties, system properties, there is an option of basic configuration use section. Just click on that, and you can see there are a couple of options, like you can change. See, this is, you can change this name as well. This is service management. You can change as for your company, search for your requirements, and you can tab title also you can change. And this is a service now image. This is the image you can change. You can put your company's organization's logo over there, or name over there. And date format also you can change. This is a by default service now date format, like YYMMDT. You can change it. And time format also you can change. And this is all the HTML colors, so you can change it accordingly your the requirements and looks. Okay, that's all from my side today and in this video, and we will make a completely series from the very basic level. and every videos will be very small, and will be sticking to one particular topics and points. Okay, so this in this video we discussed about how you can create the ServiceNow instance, a dev instance, and how you can change this, configuring the path. Okay. Okay, so thank you for watching this video and have a great day.